for my burger, hamburger.
Hamburger.
Later H!
You know what that's making me?
Hungry! All right, so I got the purple Playfoam, and I'm making a bun. Maybe it's a beet burger. Any way to wrap? I don't think I need a nap sometimes. All right, so I got bread, lettuce. Let me move that there. I'm going to make me some tomatoes or tomatoes. What do you guys say?
Tomato.
Let's call the whole thing up. Why is that so funny?
Oh
Like, it works on everything.
So funny.
That's a Harry Connick Jr. song.
Oh, Harry.
What? Didn't even mean it. There it is. Let's go. Some of you guys have requested that I sing. The people in the room here have requested that I not.
But anything goes on.
Yeah. I'm just going to go 2 tomatoes. Boom.
2 tomatoes is funny.
Kind of looks like a face without a mouth. I'm going to put the meat down first.
Patty. You're having
The
trouble
patty.
with patty. There we go.
Lettuce next.
Lisa G just put a cowboy hat on you, and it was really funny.
I love it. I am perfect. And I was going to say block of cheese, but that's too much cheese. So we'll just go with a slice.
There you go.
So in Texas, we like a little Velveeta with a little Rotel, a little melted queso.
Oh.
Have you ever had that?
Spice up your life.
Oh, they don't make that here in Cali.
No.
The Tex-Mex.
That is a delicious looking burger.
Look at that.
Wow.
This is how it works. I just sit here and talk, and I make stuff as I talk. That does look like a tasty burger.